Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, there's two things that I just want to make you all aware about. First of all, if you're a gold trader, if you've currently got a gold position open, please go and check out my latest vlog that I just posted on my YouTube channel. I think it's with regards to a gold trading strategy. It's basically a report that is released every Friday evening. So today's Friday, it'll be coming out in a couple of hours time, and it helps you gauge which direction the gold charts will be going towards next week. So it basically informs you whether hedge funds have added to their net long positions or to their net short positions. So this is a great tool that you can use just to gauge what sentiment these big market movers have on the gold market. So please go and check out that video if you haven't yet. I'm going to attach it to the end of this video. Second of all, we still have our 25% discount on our trading signal sales. For our trading signal service. Recently our YouTube channel achieved a huge milestone of receiving 5,000 subscribers. So just to say a huge thank you from myself and the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements. We have a 25% discount, so instead of charging the usual $199 for a year's membership, we're only charging $150. So to take advantage of that, you can go and visit our website, www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below this video in the description. So finally, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today, we've had a very bullish day, just trading up around about 1%. We currently find ourselves trading at $17.35, and as you can see, the last 2 days, the market has done exactly what I said it would do. We formed a shooting star. If I just draw it on the chart here, as you can see, we formed a shooting star back on Wednesday, and this is a bullish development here in the gold market. Also, we bounced off the 1700 level, which has been very supportive, and of course it is a huge psychological number. So as you can see, yesterday we had a bullish day, and then today we've topped it off. Now it gets very interesting. There is resistance around the 1730 to 1740 area. I'm highlighting on the chart now, where we have struggled to rise above this level. We are currently testing it now. However, I'm pretty sure most of you would have seen that Donald Trump today at some point, we don't know what time, but some point, he's going to do a conference with regards to China. You know, China haven't really pleased the US with regards to what they've done with Hong Kong, and also their handling of the coronavirus. This is going to be, I personally am expecting it to be a market mover. This is going to cause some volatility in the market, and you know, Donald Trump, he isn't going to organise a press conference to declare his love for China. Put it that way, it's going to be bad stuff. So I definitely like buying gold into the weekend. Personally, I believe that Donald Trump will take this conference so this evening, but after the markets close. Why? Because Donald Trump needs a stock market to be high for his re-election, and you know, if he was to come out now and say he's putting on tariffs or sanctions towards China, the market could overreact, you know, in the stock market, and there could be some deep selling. So I have noticed in the past, whenever Donald Trump has some negative news, he likes to distribute that news on a Friday evening once the markets have shut. So then it gives traders the whole weekend to kind of digest that information. So do look out for that. I am definitely a buyer into the weekend for gold. So going into Monday next week, what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for a gap at the start of the trading session if there is some negative news from Trump. And as I mentioned in yesterday's video, once we are able to break above 1740, you know, yesterday I said we will likely trade towards 1740 today, and we're pretty much there. We're about $4 to $5 short of it. But once we can break above 1740, and hopefully today we can even get a daily close above there, then it's very simple. We're going to trade back towards the highs, back where we were trading last Sunday and Monday, up at 1764. That is the all-time high, well, not the all-time high, it's the 8-year high since 2012, where we got to $1,800. Now, on Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so next week, if we can break above 1764, this will send the market to my wonderful green box here in the top right corner. There you go, which is my target. It's been my yearly target since back in January. You know, since when we were trading back at the 1500 level price back in January, I said that $1,800 was my year target, and as you can see, we're now approaching there. So if we can break above 1764, we will likely go straight to 1800. 1800 could cause some problems, but I will analyze the market once we're there. But first of all, we need to get there. In terms of the RSI, we're currently at 57, so we're neither overbought or oversold, and I still believe we have plenty of territory in the RSI on the daily chart to get us to 1800. I really like this setup in gold right now. We're pushing against that 1740 area, which has been very resistant. And if Trump can come out with his press conference within the next few hours, or even once the market has closed, look for gold to break above and go and look for last week's highs at 1764. I've also mentioned earlier on in the week that May is typically June and July and the end of May are typically a very bullish time period for gold. As you can see, I'm now going to highlight the month of May. On the gold chart. As you can see, this was May. As you can see, we were trading rather flat in May, and towards the end of May, the last week in May, we did get that breakout towards the upside. This is what I'm looking for now. This is the last week of May. This is the last trading day in May. And then what happened in June and July? Well, June and July were actually very bullish months trading. We from the last week of May up until the end of July, we nearly rose $200. And obviously now the price is a lot higher, so percentage-wise, that will probably indicate a move of $250 to $300, which would take us to $2,000. I'm not saying that we're going to get to $2,000, but I'm just saying I really like the setup to get us to 1,800. So please do keep an eye on gold. And as I mentioned before, I'm bullish short-term and long-term, and I'm most definite a buyer going into the weekend.